Lord Chief. Welcome.
Do solemnly swear that I will be faithful and bear allegiance to the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and that I will preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. So help me God. Fundamental objectives and directive principles of the state policy contained in the Constitution of the Federal all other institutions that I will be presented by the preserve, protect, and defend the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and I will abide by the actions of the will, that I will not let anyone so help me God.
Listen.
Good afternoon. Good afternoon. Good. We all witnessed a pivotal moment in the history of our dear state when on 18th March 2025, President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, His Excellency, the President, Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, declared a state of emergency in Rivers State due to the apparent breakdown of law and order in the state. The situation of unrest was further aggravated by the lack of constitutionally guaranteed governance structure at the local government levels in the state, following the outcome of the landmark decision of the Supreme Court of Nigeria. the peace, progress, stability, and successes we have been able to achieve has only been possible by the firm support and guidance and leadership of His Excellency Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, President Commander-in-Chief of the Armed Forces of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. At every point, Mr. President has demonstrated deep commitment to our peace building and development efforts in Rivers State. Mr. President, we are grateful. Today is a day of renewal. It is a day when the will of the people have spoken, when the principles of democracy have prevailed, and when Rivers State takes another deliberate step out of uncertainty and back onto the firm path of constitutional order. During my inaugural speech as administrator of Rivers State, I gave an undertaking to the good people of Rivers State to deliver on my mandate to restore peace, security, order, and good governance to our dear state. I gave assurances to restore democratic governance at the grassroots, the level of government closest to our people. Today, I have fulfilled that promise. In furtherance of the core mandate issued by His Excellency President Bola Ahmed Tinubu, GCFR, to restore law, order, and democratic institutions in Rivers State, we conducted local government elections across the 23 local government areas of our state on Saturday, August 30th, 2025, to elect chairmen and councillors of all the 23 local government councils. The process was peaceful, credible, and widely embraced by our people. I commend the good people of Rivers State. You came out with dignity, discipline, and determination to exercise a franchise. You proved that democracy belongs to the people, that power must flow from the consent of the governed, and that no obstacle can weaken the resolve of a united citizenry. I extend my heartfelt congratulations to the chairman, commissioners, and staff of the Rivers State Independent Electoral Commission for discharging its duty with integrity, transparency, and diligence. You have affirmed that free, fair, and rancor-free elections are not only possible in Rivers State, but must become the standard by which we measure ourselves. As in every contest, winners must emerge. And today, you, our new chairman, have been entrusted with the solemn responsibility of leadership. I congratulate you. Let me, however, be clear. This victory is not a prize to be enjoyed. It is a burden to be carried. It is not an entitlement. It is a duty. It is not a call to self-interest, but to selfless service. I also commend the other contestants who were not successful at the polls this time. I urge you all to join hands in our collective efforts at building a better future for us all. Your courage to step out, to offer yourselves in service, is a testament to your faith in a better river state. Our dear Chairmen, you all stand today as custodians of the most immediate tier of government, the local government, where the state meets her citizens, where the promises of democracy are either fulfilled or betrayed. The honor that your people have bestowed upon you must be repaid with accountability, humility, and an unwavering commitment to their welfare. Public service is not an avenue for personal aggrandizement. It is not a shortcut to wealth, nor a theater for vanity. It is and must always remain a call to service with integrity, transparency, and compassion. You stand as the stewards of public good. Your decisions will shape the lives of families, determine the direction of our communities, and the legacy of this generation. Do not take lightly to the enormity of the task ahead. I implore you to lead with humility, to be bold in vision, steadfast in duty, and unshaken in character. I urge you to acquaint yourself diligently with the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria and all relevant laws governing the administration of local government system. These are not mere documents. They are the compass of your stewardship and the safeguard of the institutions you have sworn to uphold. As you take your oath today, I urge you to lead with courage, not convenience. Govern with justice, not favoritism. Serve with humility, not with arrogance. Protect the people's trust with integrity, not corruption. Be bold once again in vision, steadfast in duty, and unshakable in character. As you assume office, I charge you to uphold the principles of transparency, accountability, and service delivery in governance. You must prioritize the needs of your people, consult and work in partnership with your people to create an inclusive and sustainable society. As custodians of public funds, you must utilize resources at your disposal judiciously. Without peace, there can be no progress. Engage traditional institutions, security agencies, youth, and community leaders in fostering a secure and peaceful environment. You must strengthen local economies by supporting small businesses, improving infrastructure, and investing in education, healthcare, and social welfare. You are custodians of hope and grassroots transformation. You must leave a legacy of discipline, stewardship, ethics, and integrity in public office. Let us not forget the painful lessons of our recent past, the political dysfunction, the paralysis of institutions, and the erosion of public trust that brought Rivers State to the brink. We cannot afford to return to those dark days. You must therefore conduct yourselves as patriots, moderating your ambitions, guarding jealously the sanctity of our institutions, honoring the trust of our people, and preserving the integrity of democracy at the grassroots. The people are watching, our nation is watching, history is watching. And the verdict of posterity will depend not on the promises you make today, but on the character you display in office. Our dear Chairman of the 23 local governments of Rivers State, today you inherit a sacred trust. Do not betray it, strengthen it, guide it, and above all, honor it. As we welcome a new chapter in governance at local government, it is only proper to express sincere gratitude and appreciation to our outgoing local government administrators, whose commitment, sacrifice, and contributions positively impacted growth and governance of our local governments at a critical time. You all answered the call to serve our dear state when it needed courageous people to step forward. Thank you for your service and best wishes to you all. May I kindly intimate you all on an important project being implemented by my administration. That project is the biometric capture and enrollment of all local government staff. This important project is meant to help you as you resume, to know exactly the human resources available to you in each of your local government councils. Some local governments have been completed, while others are scheduled to be completed by 4th of September 2025. I kindly request that you offer all your necessary support for the completion of this exercise. It is an important source of data that will help your planning and service delivery efforts. My dear good people of Rivers State, I thank you most sincerely for the peaceful but vibrant participation at the polls. Your support and collaboration have secured renewed hope for the state to be characterized by peace, unity, equity, and prosperity. Finally, our elected chairman, I once again urge you to remember always that power is fleeting, but the legacy of impactful service endures. Rivers people have handed you their mandate. Do not betray it. Uphold it with honor, and history will remember you kindly. Together, with faith in God and in one another, let us build a river state where governance works, peace endures, and democracy thrives. May God bless you in your service. May God bless River State, and may God bless the Federal Republic of Nigeria.
And put nice smile. Leave this smile. Wait, do I? You don't bend that. Put small smiles. Thank you. Come to that side.
I know how to do it. 100K for you. 100K for you. Yes, I'm supposed to give us attention. It's full 10 months. They laugh.
And attention with this.
Chair.